What's going on, everybody? Night digs. Glover, John Glover with me.
Boy.
There we go. Wait, my light's too bright. Got a button there. Got a button there. Big coil. Let's see what we find. We're at an old site. Walking up, John just called me over.
Ooh, some type of reed. It's different than anything I've ever.
Yeah, it's something out here. Maybe a squeeze box.
Yeah, I don't know. It has those things.
Yeah, squeeze box. Sorry, I'm gonna take my light out. My light's too bright. That looks good. Yeah, squeeze box. Daddy didn't sleep at night. Mama's got a squeeze box. We're in the main brick piles right here. No, there it is. There's the big brick pile. Oh yeah, that's the massive one. Sorry, there's one there too, and there's one here, and then there's one back there. Big signals out here. Definitely been hit before. Good sight still though. I'm in the middle of digging. What? Behind it? Nah, kind of around them a little bit. I went out to the causeway looking for the cabins when we first got here. I got a possible button signal, I'm not sure. See if I got it out yet. Battery died in the other pointer. I'll come back. Just a little flat. That was kind of big. Muddy. That's why I don't want to get my new phone all muddy. We'll do a little live action tonight. Got a super deep signal over here. He called me over to listen to it too.
I'm guessing it's going to be deep iron.
I don't think it's going to be iron. Of course, I'll see. We were having a discussion on Josh Field's page and Rusty Relic hunting. Rusty Relics relic hunting? I can't remember. I'll post it in the bottom. Talking about 2.0 versus 3.0.
It's out.
It's out. That's the brick.
That ain't it.
I'm thinking buckle or something, but it's a big coin. Compact, something. This is a pretty old site. There's not a lot of new stuff here. Trying to keep my headlight off. My headlight's too bright. Oh, it's a bit boss thing.
Yeah.
Leather tack. Mid 1700s.
Deep.
Yeah. That's a good one though.
Yeah.
Well, that rang up both clear on both of ours. But me and Josh were having a discussion, and one of his friends, huh?
Talking to somebody.
On 3.0 versus 2.0, and I've put both my machines, the 10x5 coil I always keep on, and then this 15-inch back on 2.0, or yeah, 2.0.1 or something like that. The first Equinox group of settings, and I've dug more nails than I have in the past 2 years probably that I've been running the 3.0 program, and I'm just using my normal settings. I had to bump up my recovery speed a little bit, and even it's falsing like crazy. My phone's not on. I'm running 20. I tried out with 25 first. I dug probably 30 square nails, a couple right angle ones. Of course, you're going to get those, but I'm not happy with the 2.0 program so far compared to the 3 that I normally use. But I'm going to keep digging. We're going to go to a couple other sites. We'll see. A little bit. It sounded like a beer can. I'm not even going to lie. I'm not going to rub it. Nah. Ooh, this is an old one too.
It's nice buckle.
Focus. Yeah. That'll go in baking soda water when I get home, and it'll eat all of that stuff off.
Sweet find, man.
Silver?
Clean it off a little
Underside. That looks like a maker's mark. I'm very against brushing relics, by the way.
bit. Don't worry about it, man. It's not gonna.
I know. Is it just see-through?
It's just it looks
They're
like
holes?
it's gilded.
Yeah, quit messing with it.
It's not gonna hurt it. We ain't ever gonna do anything with it but put it in the case. Yeah, I rub all my silver coins.
Look at that.
Nice find. This causeway's probably got quite a few of them from people walking on it.
That's what I assumed. I detected a little bit of it, but I kind of just walked across it. Holy
Followed it the
shit.
whole way?
Hmm?
Have you followed it the whole way?
Yeah, it leads to another patch of high ground across the swamp and then all the way to the creek. We can follow it if you want. Wow, I didn't expect that.
Let's follow off the side of it a little bit.
Is there a puddle somewhere?
Oh, yeah, right here.
Yeah, let's rinse this off.
See, let's follow it a little bit, but off the side. It's pretty nice through here.
Okay.
And then we'll follow the causeway and all that. I'll keep looking. I don't wet relics.
Nah. Super gildy. But I can't tell if it's just because it's in the low area and it's just brassy, you know?
Yeah. It definitely looks like gilt.
It looks like gilt, though. All right, I'm going to quit messing with it. I think it's going to be a pretty one. Yeah. Is that a cannon?
Yes.
Yeah, it is. Sick, dude.
Yeah, it's a fucking can.
I had to restart the video. It was on a different...
like it's got a pin on
screen.
top.
Oh, man.
It's got pins on both sides.
Kids'
cool.
toy cannon.
Yeah, let's go find some. There's some water.
Beautiful, man.
That one's already wet. So
Oh, you already got it?
we'll get a video of it.
Yeah. Y'all got to see this. I've only dug one of these. They're super cool. I'll try to keep my light off of it. This one's too bright.
It's kind of crusty a little bit, man. I'd rather get it cleaned up while it's still wet instead of it drying and... I was not expecting it.
That's cool. We're still just following the sides of this causeway over here. Digging side by side. Trying to clear it out. Site's definitely been hit before. Oh, it blew up too, man. That's super neat. Oh, man. Cool. It's got character for sure.
That's a sweet little
That is a sweet one, man. Freaking nice job.
little cannon.
Heck yeah. It's a cannon.
Sounded nice.
Yeah.
What, probably 7 inches deep?
Yeah. All right, he just flopped out another signal. Big old nice dandy. Nice one.
Sweet.
Booyah. A little bit of iron over here. I think you might have found a tiny little something. Maybe a camp, a little home site. I don't know. We're about halfway. No, we might be at the end of the causeway, are we?
Well, no.
No, we're not.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah, this is like a rise over here.
There's a road right, I'm in a low spot.
Oh, yeah, I do see it. I don't know if you can tell. You see how it dips right there. Yep, that's another trail. You can kind of see it. It's really hard to see on camera, but it's obvious in person. It's another little causeway kind of thing. Yeah, that other causeway keeps going, so. Oh yeah. Cleaned up nice like. Love the tom back.
Brass clamp that comes around right here?
Oh, I see it. That's old looking. That might be a top. With that hinge.
It's got a brass circle on top.
Yeah.
Got a hinge. I don't know.
I don't know.
Clean it up later. It's a cool find.
I'm able to run higher sensitivity down here in the low area.
Sounds like crap.
Did it sound like crap?
It was blowing the detector out. It was the overload signal.
It's a massive iron signal right there.
Might not be.
It might not be. I don't know. Maybe it's the pot to that.
Yeah, that's a tough one. Must be getting.
Where there's no iron, I can run sensitivity real high and not get any falsing. But in the colonial iron we have here, that 2.0 is just not working for me. Some pot lid. You get the pot? Listen to that thing. They ring up like a...
I would have been excited, man.
Yeah. 35, 36. We're gonna attempt to cross this so we can get on this other causeway that's probably not been hit.
Dude, that causeway is gonna be.
This is the quickest way across. The long way across, obviously, we're not gonna take. Is that tree sturdy? That's on there. That tree's gonna break, isn't it? Okay. Go, John. Get it, Glover. Booyah. My turn. And we made it. We made it, and we're heading towards Causeway. Salamander. It's raining so bad I haven't been filming anything. And we just walked down here to this bridge site that I've been wanting to scout. We haven't found much yet. What do you got, huh? You got an Indian head?
Yeah.
Look at this. Don't pull it out yet.
Oh shit.
Holy crap, right? I saw this and then I moved this leaf.
Dude.
Dude.
I must try not to swear.
It's all right.
That's awesome.
I don't really try to limit my channel. Holy crap, man.
Dude.
I just saw that out of the corner of my eye.
Jesus Christ.
Oh my God.
You think those dredged out of the creek? Or?
Yeah, I guess. Oh,
Dude, what the?
we're relic hunting, we're not fossil hunting. Jesus.
Oh, did you like digging fucking shark teeth?
Yeah,
I could take you to some spots.
let's go. I don't get to do it enough.
I gotta get a sifter. We'd have to go to the office.
Oh man. We're continuing the fest of night hunt. Just got that really nice old bit balls. We're back where I found that silver Dutch coin right now. See if we can find some more stuff. Brick all in the holes. All right, some kind of gun endorsement, or I don't think that's a trigger. I'll just see when it gets cleaned up. There's definitely stuff here. Brick is everywhere. Well, you're still at it. Part of a buckle.
Yeah, I believe. Or...
And a screamer over here. Is that part of a saw blade?
Oh, it's brass.
Just a melted brass.
Could have been a fancy brush or something.
Oh, yeah.
Cleaned up.
Maybe it's a horse brush or something. Cool. Yeah, but that's what they're sounding like over here.
That was a fucking screamer, dude.
That was a screamer. Rain's picking back up again. What you got? Yeah, that's cool. Bunch of furniture inlay? Yeah, it's got those booby looking things on it. The early 1700s.
Yeah. It could have been a rifle.
Yeah. I'm just used to seeing those circles with the dots in the middle.
Yeah, it could be for a rifle too.
Yeah, yeah. Johnny Boy says silver, he thinks.
Yeah.
Sounds pretty loud.
It's a straight line 94, man.
94.
Could be big brass. Where is this? Yeah, terrible.
Huh?
Terrible video.
All live digs are terrible. There's pottery all in that hole. Look at all that brick and mortar. There you go. Big old blue piece of pottery. You can come back out here with a probe.
It's a big
Buckle?
shoe buckle.
Oh man, it's a pretty one too.
Oh, why? There's so much iron in this hole.
Yeah, there is. That's a nice signal.
Got a root gun.
Break it. Want machete?
Root gun. That is going to be a silver shoe buckle.
You think it's silver?
I would say,
Ooh,
without a doubt.
it's starting to look that way, ain't it? Holy shit! Oh my god! Dude!
That is
Oh.
the best shoe buckle I've ever dug.
Oh my god, John.
I was hoping for a coin, but that tops a coin all day for me.
You called it. Jesus. I bet there's a maker's mark on that.
I'm sure there is. I got a blush.
Ah, I'm shaking for you.
Shit, man.
Holy shit, dude.
I knew as soon as I heard it, I was like, it's silver. But
Oh my god.
dude, that thing is heavy.
Yes, it is. God, that's beautiful. There's probably a maker's mark on it.
Find some water.
I don't know.
Yeah, I can leave,
We'll come back.
leave my machine. There's a mark.
There's a mark. Maker's mark.
Yeah. It's probably going to be that SP.
I wonder if it's American.
Oh, the mark may be so worn down.
Is it?
Dude,
Holy cow.
that
That thing is gorgeous.
is a hell of a shoe buckle, man.
Oh, yeah. Hold your light back for a minute. Oh my god. Congrats, dude.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Copper? I might have to move back where John is. I've been digging this thing out of a hole. Look at that. That's what I said when I found that silver coin. Big old furniture endorsement or gun inlay, something. We'll see what John's got now after that silver buckle. Jesus. He's just digging that out.
Look at the size of it.
Oh, yeah.
It's like half cent size.
Yeah. But it's light.
You gonna go clean her up? Get you on video? Oh, that's awesome.
Isn't that cool? You can clean it up if you want. I don't know if I'd mess with it if it's copper. Is it copper or silver?
It's not silver.
No. Mine was pretty cruddy when I got it out. No.
Take it over some water. I don't.
Hey, there's some over here. Oof, just landed silver.
I don't even feel bad because I got a hell of a buckle, but.
Not sure what it is. Another weird one. 1789. Crown. Huh. Figure that one out. 1789. Back to our 3-hour video. Oh yeah, it is nice.
It,
Fancy
looks-
little gun inlay.
Yeah, it's got some. I'm just fucking.
Yeah. Ooh, yeah, that's pretty. Hold on, shining your light away. There we go. Beautiful.
All the way to there.
Yeah.
So unless it's just really, really shallow, which.
She's shallow. She's shallow. What is it? Ooh, another buckle.
Hey, there's the water. You ready for the reveal? I don't think this is gonna be. It's gonna be fancy, but not quite. That's fancy. Nope, no fancy.
No fancy? A little fancy.
Heck yeah, another shoe buckle.
Heck yeah, man. Sweet one. Can you just say you hadn't found that many shoe buckles in a hole and blowing it up tonight? I've dug. I've dug 5 or 6 different pieces of brass, another piece of furniture tack, past that silver coin. We're still hitting it though. All right, my next signal looks like a whole range guide. Shoot, there's some loud signals out here, bud.
Oh my god, dude. You said you dug like 8 things last time you were
Yeah.
here?
5 or 6. I was only out here an hour. I was only scouting it. I think John's up to what, 3 or 4 coppers?
Where did your silver come out?
He's got so many coppers, I just found one on the side of his hole that he left laying there.
That's where your silver came from.
What, over there? There's still a signal in it?
No, but that's where your silver came from. I'm just trying to keep track of where I'm at.
We're just doing circles around all this stuff. Right? Doing circles. Woo! It's been a lot of fun. We're just pouring down rain, and I think it's about 6 in the morning now. We've been out here all night. Because we work all day. You.
She's crusty, buddy.
Crusty. Finally got me a copper.
A little life on that side, that's it.
Ooh, it's thick. Yeah, I might soak that one. Definitely a copper coin though.
Nice job.
Ooh, yeah. A lot of coins. What's up, everyone? Haven't been asleep yet. Went to work around 10, and we're back out here at the site again. I think it's around 12. Finally got a button. I hear it's small coil today. Upgraded to the 3.0. We'll see how we do. I think we smacked this pretty hard earlier. Let's see if there's any more stuff. I saw that, but I didn't really pay it too much attention. Caleb said he's got a trigger guard. It's hard to film right now because it's raining so hard. Ooh, you did get a nice one. Is that Tudor rose?
It is. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
British.
Confirm.
Throw it back.
Put it back. British shit. It's a fancy tomback with a star. Sorry, sleep deprived. And it's wet. Got about 3 buttons. Caleb's got that trigger guard. What else?
Trigger guard and a ramrod guide.
And a ramrod guide. He's got 2 gun parts. John Boy's got a pewter spoon and a buckle and something else. We're going. Just got a coin. Not sure if it's wiped or not. I see Georges. But which one is it? George the second, maybe? Stupid British stuff. Put it back in the hole. Maybe it's a good thing. All right.
It's gonna be great.
What?
We're gonna find out if it's either too wet or it's just great.
Right. We hit the heck out of it this morning. So we got George the Second, Britannia. Looks like 1765.
I was playing tricks on me. I need to change the batteries and stuff. You hold that. I'll change the batteries in this light quick. What'd you get, Dad? A piece of brass. Oh no. Oh yes.
I don't know. It might be matrixing.
It looks funky though.
It does. It might have something on it.
What?
A lot of the stuff that we found earlier
had stuff on it.
had stuff on it.
We didn't know it did.
I don't think we smacked it that hard, did we?
Dude, there's no way.
I just think it's too wet. What?
Oh no, it's a trick. It's like a slave tag almost. No.
Yeah, it's not a tag. And we found a bunch of those so far. But once you get all the not a tags out of here, we'll start finding tags. Where's the gold at? What are you going for?
I'm hearing much more signals now that I'm on the
Oh,
small
you got batteries.
coil. Hearing way more signals with the small coil.
I'm actually having a tough time. I don't know if it's the...
No, dude, I like this down here. So I walked through here and I dug that little freaking pewter button. And I came back down and I kind of just thought, I didn't even dig a hole. It was on the surface.
All right.
Look, man.
But I've just dug 4 or 5 signals out of this hole back there. I dug that British copper, King Charles II. I think it said 1765.
Is that the road?
Behind us. So it's been pouring down the rain. Site's super flooded. I've had to turn on field and 2-tones to be able to get signals picking through the iron. But check that out. I'll take a stirrup. I like those. Those are some of my favorite. Oh yeah.
Yes. Dude.
I just dug my first iron signal. I was like, oh, we just walked to a new spot scouting.
Man, dude, what the heck?
Dude,
Nice. You and those lock plates,
I
man.
know. I will take gun parts all day. Let's see if we can clean this up and make it look cool. All right. It is now 6 in the morning and me and John have been up for 2 days. He's going that way. I want to see a LiDAR signal this way, but there's iron everywhere at this site. Brick everywhere. I just dug my first CSA.
No shit.
Oh my God. We're digging buttons like left and right now. And I was like, I saw the back and I rinsed it off and I was like, what is... Oh.
Dude.
Oh.
I'm tripping over seeing a flying eagle.
Oh.
The flying eagle?
Right there.
Y'all are finding all the good shit.
Dude.
Good job.
Oh.
Good job, turd burglar.
Thanks, brother. Holy cow.
What'd that thing ring up like?
I don't know. I'm on 2-tones right now. It's just digging everything, which is probably why. I think it was a 15. 60 on yours.
69.
Equinox kicking y'all's ass. Woo! Oh, man. Never found one of these. It's on my bucket list, and now it's gone. What?
Good show, man.
Thanks, dude. Whew. See what it rings thumbs up on Equinox. Oh man, I was not expecting that. 13. Okay, I gotta stop filming. We're gonna keep digging.
Can't see shit. This thing's like weird. It's fucking weird copper. Is it counterfeit?
Maybe.
Get a brush. Find this brush.
Is it lead?
Fucking heavy.
Yeah. Found a few buttons past the CSA. Nothing too crazy. He found a cool underwear button, you said?
Yeah, it's somewhere in here.
What did it have on it?
It looks like an old style eagle.
Yeah. It's a pewter GW. No, I'm just kidding. Shit, is that another brick pile right there?
What's up?
Another brick? Oh no, that's that circle. All right, I'm going to the other area.
No, it's on that.
We have action on the coin thing. Going live right now. John Stammet, Glover. Get your head off of it. Look at that. Did you take another Rosa? Or is it a Tudor Rose Bit Boss? Or is it a fancy old thing? I think it's just a fancy old thing. Where do you see it too?
Yeah, it's got fucking writing around the whole
Oh, it
thing.
does, doesn't it? It's the first ever
And this
Rosa
side,
Americana.
right, there's a date at the bottom.
Is there? Can't tell because of your light.
Oh, I can see.
Let them see. Maybe they know what it is. I don't know. Mystery. We'll see what it is at the wrap up though. What'd you snack, Caleb?
Brown Bess Ramrod Guide.
Booyah!
Yes, sir.
Nice.
A nice loud one.
Mm-hmm.
Right underneath the surface.
Oh yeah.
That's how we do it. Leave it to us to dig big shit right as we're walking out, right?
All right.
Always.
Nothing.